So today I'm going to quickly show you how to assemble these little triangle packets. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need the template that I'm linking in the description below. So once you've printed that out, it should look something like this. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, some double-sided tape, or you're welcome to use hot glue or normal paper glue, and then a measuring tape. So the first thing you want to do is just trim the edges of your template. So what you want to do is just cut the top, the left hand side and the bottom, but be sure to leave the white edge on the right hand side. You're going to end up with it looking like that. So then we're going to take our glue or our double-sided tape and just stick it down on the white edge. There. And trim it off. You're then going to flip it over, making sure that the top stays at the top. So on this side, you just want to take your measuring tape and then just move it maybe a 1/16 off the edge of the top. Then you're going to stick down your glue at the top, and it's going to be 4 inches. And trim it off. At the bottom, you're going to measure 2 1/8 inches there, and stick down 4 inches. And trim it off. So basically, if you want to just flip it over and remove the lining of your glue, and then you're just going to line it up nicely on this edge and press it down. Now, if you flip it over, what you want to do is you want to just fold it so that your design is right in the middle. You can then go ahead and remove the lining of the inside of the tape, press it down. You can now go ahead and fill your bag with whatever treats you have. In order to close it up, just remove the lining, and then on this side, just pinch the edges together, line it up nicely, and squeeze it closed. And there you go.